Hi friends. So today we counted bears. You helped me count bears. We danced along to count chickens. Now we're going to read a story. It's called Count the Monkeys. And the author is Mark Barnett and Kevin Cornell. Do you remember what this part of the book is called? The front cover. This is the spine. Touch your spine. It's on your back. And the back cover of the book. Shall we read? Hey kids, time to count the monkeys. It's fun, it's easy. All you have to do is turn the page and count the monkeys. Yikes! One king cobra. Oh, it says monkeys this way. I don't see any monkeys though. One king cobra has scared off all the monkeys. Turn the page very slowly, very carefully, so he doesn't notice us. Oh, he looks kind of creepy. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera. There we go. Look! 2 mongooses have chased away that cobra. Or is that 2 mongooses? I am pretty sure it's 2 mongooses. Let's vote. Raise your hand if you think it's mongooses. Now raise your hand if you think it's mongooses. Interesting. Turn the page. I bet the monkeys will come back. Uh-oh. 3 crocodiles frightened those mongooses. I dislike crocodiles, especially these crocodiles. Move your hand in a zigzag while you turn the page. It will confuse them. Do you remember what a zigzag looks like? I never thought I would miss those crocodiles, but these 4 grizzly bears are even worse. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're never going to count the monkeys. Okay, put your arms above your head. Make a loud roar. Bang together some pots and pans if you have them. But most important, turn the page. Right. Oh no! 5 bee swarms drove off those bears. Bees can smell fear. You are not afraid, are you? Hum a happy tune and smile while you turn that page. Let's count the swarms real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since 5 was the last number that I said, there must be 5 swarms of bees. Whew! 6 sweet old beekeepers have shooed off all those bees. So thank you 6 times very politely. These ladies care about good manners. Can you say thank you 6 times? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now finally the monkeys can come back. Turn the page and count the monkeys. Where are those silly monkeys? No! 7 wolves sent those old ladies packing. Wolves and grandmas never get along. This is very important. Don't look those wolves in the eye. In fact, cover your eyes while you turn the page. They don't look very scary. Oh, good. 8 lumberjacks took care of those wolves. Thanks, guys. Now it's safe for the monkeys. Give each lumberjack a high five and then turn the page so we can count the monkeys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lumberjacks. Oh, Lordy. Still 8 lumberjacks. And they seem to be settling in. Don't they understand we're trying to count the monkeys? Tell these guys to scram. Say it even louder. Good. Let's turn the page. Great. 9 lumberjacks. They invited a friend. How are we going to get rid of them? Any ideas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that! 10 polka-dotted rhinoceroses with bagpipes and bad breath cleared out those lumberjacks. Was that your idea? Because it wasn't mine. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know there's 10 because that's the last number that I said. Well, wait a minute. This book is supposed to be about counting monkeys. Where are the monkeys? Okay, we're finally ready to... Oh no! It looks like we're out of pages. This is terrible. We made it to the end and there are 0 monkeys. 0 means none. Now we'll never get to count the monkeys. Guess what, guys? Guess what I found? All the monkeys. I don't know how many there are, though. That's a lot to count. I'm afraid I'd lose my spot. How many do you think there are? Let's see if it tells us. Does it tell us anywhere? Nope. I guess we'll have to wait till we're in person so that we can count them together so we don't lose track. Did you like the story? Except for the fact that we didn't get to count the monkeys? Oh, we can count the monkeys on the front cover, though. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 monkeys on the front cover. Did you notice how I went in a circle to count them to help keep myself organized? If I touched this monkey and then went over here to this monkey and then up to this monkey and over here to this monkey and this monkey, I'm not sure if I counted this one yet. Oh, now I'm confused. Did I count him? Oh no, that's not good. When you count and there are several things on a page, it's a good idea to, either go in a certain order, or if you're able to write or mark on the item, you can do that. Like if this were on paper, I would X out each one as I went so that I would not lose track of who I've already counted. Makes it easier. I hope you like counting with me. Bye.